guys, this is the brand new TP-Link router which I bought recently after my 12 years old Netgear router is giving me some issues. So this is a Wi-Fi 7 router. Let's see what's on the box. It says Wi-Fi 7 2.5 Gbps ports for wired connectivity and 6 external antennas with beam forming. And on the sides, these are the features. So this is the MRP, as you can see, and the weight and everything is given. And on the side, these are the ports which are available: USB 3.0 port, 2.5 Gbps WAN port, 2.5 Gbps LAN port, and 3 gigabit LAN ports. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Yeah, it opens from here. All right, let's see what's inside. So here we have the router with 6 antennas, and they are covered with this plastic packaging. Let's see what else is there inside. So this is to the default login. So this is the quick installation guide on how to configure the router. You can pause and see. And then we have this technical support guide, some notice, and then we have this flat LAN cable. Seems nice. And then we have this power adapter. So this is, as you can see, 12 volt 2.5 amperes 30 watt adapter. Now let's have a look at the router itself. Alright, so here we have the router itself. These are the LEDs indicating various things. On the front there is nothing, this glossy plastic finish. On this side there is nothing. On the other side we have got this USB 3.0 port, and at the back alright, so at the back you have the blue PS button, the reset hole, Wi-Fi LED switch, I believe. Then this is the 2.5 Gbps LAN port, which you will connect with your ISP's modem or router, whatever you have. And then you have the first 2.5 Gbps LAN port, and then rest all 3 are 1 Gbps ports. And then you have the on-off button and the power socket. So now let us see how to set this router up. So to set the router we have two ways: either we go via web browser or we use the TP-Link Tether app. So I will be using this app to set this router up. So now my internet provider's cable is connected on the WAN port of this router. So let us turn it on and see. So now it is turning on. As you can see, this LED is glowing. That is the power LED. So meanwhile I have installed the TP-Link Tether app. So let us just open it. So this is how we proceed. I already have a TP-Link account, so I will log in. So here now I have logged in via the TP-Link Tether app. So let us try to add the router. We tap on this add device and we choose add a router. So LEDs are on solid. There's a QR code. Let us see. Yeah, there is one. Okay, so now it has detected the router. Let us add the product. We need to connect to the router's Wi-Fi network. So I am connecting to it. It has found the device. Yeah, this is the model number. Let us set this device up. So I have already connected the internet cable to the WAN port. So let us continue. Yeah, modem is restarted. So I need to give a password to the device. Let me just input the password. So now I have input the password. Let us continue. So we proceed with dynamic IP for the moment. Auto detect. So it has detected the connection type. Let us click on done. Next. So now it is creating its Wi-Fi network. Let me just input the details. So now I have put in the details. Basically this option was on, that is Smart Connect. What this basically does is that it allows the router to assign the 2.4 or 5 gigahertz band by itself to your device. You don't get any manual option to choose it, so I had to turn it off because I need two separate networks for both the bands. So let us click continue. So we need to put in the time of, I think, skip for the time being. This is the password. Let us click apply. That is applying the settings. The status is still the same. This internet LED is on. Okay, so it is all set. Let us connect. Alright, so it is connected to the router now. I am connected. So now it is connected. Let us click on finish. Yes. So it is showing me various options. Let us just skip for the time being, maybe later. Okay, so now it is all set. So now my router is fully connected, configured. So let us do a speed test. I have a 200 Mbps Airtel connection, Airtel fiber connection actually. So let us see what speeds are we getting. That is about the same my Netgear router was providing, this one. And the upload speeds. The upload speed is somewhat lesser, but the latency is slightly improved. So this is the speed we are getting at the moment. Thanks for watching. See you soon.